Alright guys, so this is the task that we need to do right now on Paws. Okay, for those of us that are farming Paws, go to this Paws community on Telegram. The next thing you are going to do, this is the last update that they dropped here, that they dropped on 6th of February, that is yesterday. Okay, so you see this blue icon, the blue one they wrote Paws web. Click on it and you click on open. Click on it and click on open. Click on it, click on open. Then it will take you to the website paws.community. So you wait for it to load, wait for it. So once it opens, the next thing you are going to do is for you to click on this verify yourself. Then you choose one of these methods to verify yourself. Either use the Pulse Telegram app, or use your Phantom wallet, or use your Ton wallet. Okay, so for you to carry out this task, you choose one of these. Any of them will yield the same result. So just go ahead and click. Myself, I've done mine already, so I'll just click Pause Telegram app. So I'll click on this Pause Telegram app. Then the pause bot will open. It will say account verified, continue in website. Then the next thing they wrote here is stay in Telegram. So I'll click on continue in website. I'll click on continue in website. Okay, then it will show me the list of these browsers that are here. So I will choose Chrome. I use Chrome to always browse, and it's Chrome that I use when I did the first verification and all those wallet connection and whatsoever. So I'm going to use Chrome now. Chrome is the first one now, having yellow, red and green color. Okay, so the first one is Chrome. I'll select Chrome and it will take me to my browser. I'll open it and it's going to open. Let's wait for it. It's loading. It's loading. Let's wait for it. Okay, it's showing verify yourself. Okay, well, I'm done with that stage, so it's going to open fully now. All right, it has opened now. So what you are going to do right now is for you to scroll down. Okay, you see this. So you see three lines at the top here where they wrote pause. This place, you see three lines at the top left corner. Click on those three lines. Okay, when you click on it, it will open here that is showing home, dashboard, claim, pre-market. Okay, this pre-market is for people that have up to 300,000 pulse points, and those people will now go and exchange it for an NFT that is worth $250. Okay, it is for people that have up to 300,000 pulse points that are exchanging it now for vouchers. Okay, so our business here now is to click on claim. Click on that claim. When you click on claim, you know we have done this eligibility test before, eligibility test or check eligibility. So you are going to scroll down. These are the tasks that we have done on this what's it called, on this site, this pulse.community, and some of them we did it on the Telegram bot. That is a pulse bot on Telegram. So if you scroll down like this, you will see verify on website. They ticked it. Complete 30 quests is ticked. Then they now say save from Grange. They is ticked, meaning I've done all these ones. Then you see this activity check. Activity check is ticked now. When you open your own, because you have not done this one, you've not done this one before, when you open it, this activity check will not be ticked. So you are going to click on it. When you click on it, it will now open. When it opens, you just check complete whatever they are going to show you there, and it will mark good like this. Okay, because it's going to redirect you to your pause bot and bring you back again, and this thing will check green color like this to show that you have done it. Okay, so guys, that is all for the now. So I want you to dive right in and do it, because from their Telegram channel, from their Twitter X handle, they wrote today that TGE, they wrote on fire, like token generation event is on the go right now. So whatever task that you need to do it very, very fast. Okay, so let's get this thing done as fast as we can. So let's go. Let's do it now. Let's go ahead and do it now. Thank you, and see you in the next video. I'll be updating us. So if you have watched to this end, click on the subscribe button, like the video, and comment. If there's something you want me to make a video on, I want you to actually comment, write it in the comment section, so that I will see it and make a video on it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.